Picture this. You are getting ready for a special event and you finally look in the mirror to check your hair. But instead of feeling glamorous, all you see is a part line that seems to be getting wider by the day, your scalp peeking through, and hair that sits completely flat and lifeless against your skull. It is a heartbreaking moment that can instantly drain all of your confidence right before you walk out the door. But here is where almost everyone goes completely wrong. In a moment of panic, your first instinct is to grab a fine-tooth comb, start aggressively teasing and backcombing those roots, and then freeze it all in place with a heavy layer of stiff hairspray. You must stop doing this immediately. Not only does that harsh teasing snap and destroy your already fragile, thinning hair, but it actually ages you by a full decade. You do not end up looking like you have thicker hair, you just look like you are walking around with a stiff, dated bird's nest on top of your head. It is time to completely change your strategy. Today, I am going to teach you my ultimate stylist technique to legally fake massive volume. We are not using heavy, damaging hair extensions, and we are absolutely done with backcombing. If you give me just 10 minutes of your time, I am going to show you an incredibly easy routine that will instantly double the visual thickness of your hair and give you back that youthful, bouncy lift without causing any damage. Let us fix this right now. Before we jump into the 10-minute routine, you have to understand exactly why your hair refuses to hold volume in the first place. Most women believe that gravity or the weight of their hair is the only culprit pulling everything down. But as a professional, I can tell you the real enemy is something I call lazy part syndrome. Think about your daily routine for a second. Have you been wearing the exact same side part or middle part every single day for the last 10, 15, or even 20 years? When you force your hair to fall in the exact same direction for decades, you are literally training your hair follicles to sleep. The roots become entirely flattened against your scalp. They lose all of their natural spring and muscle memory, meaning they simply will not stand up no matter how hard you try to lift them. We also have to have a very honest conversation about the biological changes happening to your scalp right now. As we cross into our 50s and beyond, the actual diameter of each individual hair strand becomes significantly finer. But it is not just the thickness that changes. Your hair follicles also begin to produce much less of your natural scalp oils. You might think that having drier, lighter hair would make it easier to lift, but it actually does the opposite. Without those natural oils, your hair loses its internal grip and texture. It becomes so incredibly slippery, fine, and soft that the individual strands simply slide right past each other and collapse completely flat against your head. Your hair physically lacks the structural integrity to stand up on its own. So how do most of us try to fix this lack of structure? We immediately reach for the exact same styling products we used in the 80s and 90s. We pump our hands full of old school wet mousse, or we spray a massive cloud of stiff hairspray directly onto our roots. Let me explain why this is an absolute disaster for mature, thinning hair. Those traditional products are heavily packed with water and drying alcohols. When you first apply them and blow dry your hair, you might look in the mirror and see massive volume, but that is a temporary illusion. As soon as the moisture settles and the humidity in the air hits your hair, those heavy formulas crystallize and turn into dead weight. Within an hour, that sticky product will act like a heavy anchor, dragging your fragile roots right back down to your scalp and leaving your hair looking flatter and thinner than when you started. We have to break these habits right now if we want to successfully fake that beautiful density. Let us get straight into the 10-minute transformation protocol. I promise you this routine will completely change the way you look at your hair. We are going straight into step 1, which I call the root flip, and it takes exactly 2 minutes. We need to start by breaking that lazy part syndrome I just told you about. When you step out of the shower and your hair is still damp, do not let it fall into its usual part. If you have parted your hair on the left side for the last 20 years, I want you to take your brush and force every single strand of hair completely over to the right side. You are going to blow dry your hair in the exact opposite direction of where it naturally wants to live. By forcing the root to dry completely flat against the grain, you are shocking the follicle. Once the hair is 100% dry, simply take your fingers and flip it all back over to your normal left side. Because the root was dried in the opposite direction, it will literally spring upward, giving you an immediate, massive lift right at the scalp without using a single drop of product. Now that we have shocked the root, we need to build a support system so that volume does not collapse an hour later. Welcome to step 2, which takes about 4 minutes. I call this the invisible scaffolding. Usually, women think they need to spend 45 minutes curling their entire head of hair just to get some body. You absolutely do not need to do that. Here is the ultimate stylist secret. Take the very top layer of your hair, the smooth canopy that everyone actually sees, and clip it entirely out of the way. We are not touching that. Now look at the thin layer of hair sitting directly underneath that top section. Take your flat iron, get it right up close to the root, and simply bend the hair into a sharp, tight curve right at the scalp. You only need to do this on 3 or 4 thin sections right at the crown. We are physically baking a permanent bend into the base of the hair. These hidden bent pieces act exactly like scaffolding or a supportive cushion. When you unclip that smooth top layer of hair and let it fall gracefully over the bent pieces, the scaffolding underneath physically pushes the top layer straight up into the air. You get incredible structured height that lasts all day, and nobody will ever know there are bent pieces hiding underneath. Step 3 takes just 2 minutes, and this is where we completely replace your outdated hairspray with your new best friend, a high-quality dry texture spray. Texture spray is completely different from hairspray or wet mousse. It feels a little bit like a dry shampoo, but it leaves a tiny, invisible grip on the hair strand. It gives fine, slippery hair that slight texture it desperately needs to stand up. Lift your hair in sections and spray the product directly into the root area. Do not spray it on the ends. Then take your fingertips and gently massage your scalp, just like you are shampooing your hair. This works the dry powder into the follicle, creating an incredibly airy, fluffy, and bouncy volume that never feels stiff, sticky, or glued down. Finally, we reach step 4, which is the ultimate optical illusion. This is the magic brush technique, and it takes less than 2 minutes. When your hair is thinning, the high contrast between your hair color and the bright white skin of your scalp shining through your part line instantly gives away how thin your hair really is. To fix this, take a specialized root powder or even just a matte eyeshadow that tightly matches your root color and a small makeup brush. Gently tap the powder directly onto your scalp, anywhere you see bright skin shining through your part or your front hairline. By simply coloring in the scalp and removing that harsh contrast, the brain is immediately tricked. The human eye no longer sees the skin, and it instantly processes your hair as being twice as thick and incredibly dense. It takes almost no time at all, but the visual transformation is absolutely mind-blowing. I know exactly what some of you are thinking right now. You are watching me use this flat iron to create that invisible scaffolding, and you are telling yourself that it looks way too complicated. You might feel like you are completely clumsy with hot tools and that you could never do this yourself. But look closely at what I am actually doing. I am not asking you to style your entire head of hair. You do not have to struggle to reach the back of your head or try to blindly see what you are doing in the mirror. You only need to focus on one very specific area, which we call the horseshoe section. This is just the U-shaped area right on the very top of your head. You can leave the hair at the back of your head and underneath completely alone because nobody is looking under there anyway. The volume on top will drape right over it. By only focusing on the top few pieces, this entire step takes literally minutes, even if you consider yourself a complete beginner with hair tools. Now, let us address the second biggest fear I hear all the time. When I mention using a texture spray, I immediately hear women say that they hate the feeling of product in their hair. You are probably worried that it's going to make your roots feel stiff, sticky, and incredibly dirty by the end of the day. But we need to understand the massive difference between a traditional hairspray and a modern dry texture spray. Old school hairspray acts like a wet glue. It coats the hair in sticky resins that harden, freeze the hair in place, and trap dirt. A high-quality texture spray, however, is actually made of microscopic invisible powders. Instead of gluing your hair together, these fine powders sit between the hair strands to keep them separated, bouncy, and airy. Even better, those incredibly fine powders actively absorb the natural oils from your scalp throughout the day. So not only does a texture spray avoid making your hair feel dirty, but it actually works exactly like a dry shampoo, keeping your hair looking fresh, clean, and voluminous for much longer than if you used nothing at all. Finally, I know the magic brush technique with the root powder sounds completely amazing, but you might be terrified of what happens if you get caught in the rain, or if you are dealing with hot flashes and start to sweat. You are likely picturing dark, muddy streaks running down your forehead and ruining your makeup. That is a completely valid fear, but I have a foolproof stylist secret to prevent that from ever happening. First, whenever you are shopping for a root concealer or root powder, you must always look for formulas that specifically say water resistant on the label. But if you want absolute, total security, just borrow a trick from professional makeup artists. After you tap the powder onto your scalp, simply take your favorite everyday makeup setting spray and give your part line a quick, light mist. That setting spray locks the hair powder onto your skin just like it locks foundation onto your face. It creates an invisible, waterproof shield so you can sweat, exercise, and go about your entire day with absolute confidence, knowing your volume is beautifully locked in and that powder is not going absolutely anywhere. As we wrap up this 10-minute transformation, I want you to remember something incredibly important. We might not be able to force our hair to grow back as quickly or as thickly as it did when we were in our 20s. That is just a natural part of life. But that absolutely does not mean we have to surrender to thinning, flat hair. We have complete power and control over our appearance when we use the right, smart, strategic techniques. You do not have to accept feeling less than your best. I firmly believe that the volume of your hair is directly tied to the volume of your confidence. When your hair looks lifted, thick, and vibrant, you stand taller, you feel more radiant, and you step out into the world feeling absolutely unstoppable. Now, I want to hear directly from you. What is the absolute biggest headache you face every single morning when you look in the mirror? I want you to go down to the comments right now, type the words wide part if your biggest frustration is seeing too much scalp shining through, or type the words flat hair if your daily battle is hair that stays glued completely flat against your skull. I am going to read through every single response, look at what the majority of you are struggling with, and immediately create a brand new dedicated video to completely solve that exact problem for you. You have the power to love your hair again. Thank you so much for trusting me today, and I will see you in the next video.